What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to do the Pop Smoke flexing glow effect. I don't really know what it's called, but it has a really cool look that I think there is a lot of opportunity to develop on and customize, but let's hop into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to place your two clips that you got. This can be a transition or just an effect. So what you're gonna do is get your first clip, and you need to do it in this order, because if you don't do it in this order, it's not gonna work. You need to type in gradient wipe. Okay. So now that you got that effect applied, you're gonna go to your effects panel and go to Ecto. Gonna apply this effect. Now, once you apply this effect, you're going to hold Alt and copy this clip. Because before we do the transition, I want to show you guys how to just do the effect to where it's not transitioning, but it's doing the glow effect just without transitioning. So we're going to go over to where we want this effect to start. Right here, I have it marked with a marker. And we are going to hit the toggle animation for transition completion. Once we have that toggled, we're going to go forward a couple frames and we're going to toggle the effect. Now we're going to go forward a couple more frames and go back to where it was. Let's see what this does. All right. Let's play with this a little more. Let's go to 90%. All right. And now, once we did that, let's do the transition form of this. So we're going to basically take this underclip out from the comp, and we're going to do this animation again. So you're going to add your keyframe right here where you want the transition to start, and then you're going to go forward however long you want the transition to last, and you're going to transition completion to 100%. Ooh. All right, once you do that, let's take a look at what this looks like. All right, I like the way this looks. Really trippy. Let's render it so we can see it. All right, pretty dope. Now, I want to add some flair to it. Since my buddy's smoking a spliff, let's customize this to be more fitting. So let's go over to the Ecto section and go to Browse Presets and select Choose a Preset. Now, wait for this to pop up. Now it's going to open up this panel right here. And since he is smoking a spliff, let's apply the Flames preset. Dope. I like that. It's definitely a lot more relevant. So I want to show you guys another way to do this effect to achieve a different look than using the gradient wipe. So instead of using the gradient wipe, what we're going to do is we're going to copy this clip, hold Alt and drag down. Then we're going to go to the Luma key. All right. And once we apply the Luma key, we're going to apply the Ecto again. Now, once we apply the Ecto, and we have the Luma key, we're going to play around with the threshold, all right? So we're going to turn it on to 0, and then when we want the effect to start, we're going to press the keyframe, and let's play around with this a little bit. I want this to happen on beat. Okay, it's actually good. Now we're going to basically add this effect and see what it looks like. So I'm going to bring it to 100, then I'm going to bring it back to 0. Just to see what that looks like. And just to keep it continuous, I'm going to choose the same preset I did last time for the ecto effect. And as you can see, there's a lot of different presets you can play around with if you want to experiment. And because everyone uses the one that is just automatically on there, but there are definitely a lot of cool ones that you can pick from. But I'm going to use the flames. All right, that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.